This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cloth napkins, specifically these Luxenap cloth bistro napkins. They're all 18.5 inches wide by 22 3/4 inches long, giving you a lovely, generous sized napkin that can easily cover your lap. They feature a wonderful striped design and are available in black, blue, burgundy, lime green, green, gray, red, orange, and yellow. These woven napkins are made from polyester. They're built to resist stains, and they are also wrinkle resistant and machine washable, making for a really easy care item. They resist pilling and shrinkage to really maintain that high quality look. The color options are fantastic for matching decor or coordinating with events. So they're perfect for cafes, bistros, restaurants, and also to use at catered events or at your own table at home.